Welcome to Allfu Airlines, the first flight that can take you to the past. Our first stop, the Philippines in 1521. So guys, handa na ba kayo? Sagot lang kayo ng, aba, syempre po. Okay, okay. So, arat na! So guys, if you would look to your windows, makikita nyo dyan si Magellan at yung sleeve niya because on the Black Friday of the 1521, he sent his slave interpreter ashore with a request for food. His message was clear: we come as friends, not as enemies. In response, the local king along with 6 to 8 men arrived at Magellan's ship, bringing 3 porcelain jars of raw rice, 2 large fish, and other goods as a sign of goodwill. Magellan in return gave the king a red and yellow Turkish-style garment, a red cup, and a various item like knives and mirror for his man. To strengthen their bond, Magellan invited the king to a small celebratory meal. During the gathering, he proposed a special friendship known as Kasi-Kasi, meaning brotherhood. The king accepted this bond, sealing their newfound alliance. To display their power and European technology, Magellan showcased European goods like colorful cloth, linen, and coral ornaments. To further demonstrate his power, he ordered his men to fire artillery. The loud explosion terrified the natives, showing them the might of European weaponry. He then demonstrated the strength of European armor. A fully armored soldier stood still while 3 of men attacked him, but he remained unharmed. The king was astonished. Confident in his military superiority, Magellan declared, "One of my men is as powerful as 100 of yours." He also revealed that each of his ships has 200 armed men, emphasizing his strength. To deepen their exploration and exchange of knowledge, Magellan took this opportunity to share European knowledge with the king. He showed him a sea chart and a compass, explaining how he found the strait and how many months they have traveled without seeing the land. The king, amazed by this and knowledge, agreed to send 2 of his men to visit Magellan's ship. One of them was Antonio Pigafetta, the chronicler who documented this historic event. The hospitality of the king and the local customs. Upon reaching the shore, Pigafetta and his companion were welcomed with a special greeting. The king raised his hands to the sky and they respectfully mirrored the gesture. They were then led to a bamboo-covered structure where a balanghay, a large boat, was housed. During the feast, Pigafetta observed local customs. The king drank from a special covered cup, first raising his clasped hands to the sky before extending his fist. Pigafetta followed this tradition as a sign of respect. However, he unknowingly broke a religious rule. He ate meat on the Good Friday. This incident showed differences between cultural and religious practices. The king's palace and royal lifestyle. After supper, Pigafetta was invited on the king's palace. It was built on high wooden posts thatched with banana and palm leaves and accessible only by ladders. Inside, they sat on a bamboo mat while eating fish with ginger and rice with the king's son. That night, Pigafetta and his companions slept on bamboo mat with willow leaves, while the king retired to his own quarters. By morning, the king personally took Pigafetta's hand and led him to eat breakfast. Before they left, they exchanged gesture of respect by kissing each other's hands. A visit of another king. A few days later, another king from Butuan and Calagan visited Magellan. This king came from an island rich in gold where people sifted the soil to find gold nuggets. He was described as the most well-dressed and handsome man they had seen. He had long black hair, wore a silk covering and large gold earrings. Even his dagger had a golden handle with a beautifully carved wooden scabbard. His teeth had gold spots making them appear gold-bound. His palace and dishes were made of gold and he was perfumed with storax and benzoin, a rare valuable scent at that time. The king is Raya Colombo, often met with Raya Suawi while hunting, showing the strong ties between different rulers in the region.
Mabuhay! This is your FA James announcing the flight comes to an end. Thank you for choosing our airlines.